Hey everyone, I'm back with another tutorial, and those who new to my channel, welcome you all. So before starting your resin project, put any sheet on the surface where you work to avoid any resin spills. So let's get started. But make sure you follow all the safety precautions cause safety comes first. Since I'm using the 2:1 resin hardener, so firstly pour the resin, then the half amount of the hardener. Resin has a thick consistency, so we have to pour it carefully. Now carefully pour the hardener. Now mix it gently to avoid air bubbles. I fast forward the video cause it takes too much time. So yeah. After mixing, let's put it aside and pour another cup. Mix it at least 3 minutes. There you go. In 1 cup, I am going to use this black mica powder. Just a little bit amount of it. And then mix. Now it's time to pour resin into the mold. Carefully pour them both together. So here I'm using heat gun to pop out the bubbles. Blending the color slightly so it doesn't look too obvious. Let's add some leaves and flowers. The customer sent me their flowers to preserve as a memory. The flowers were in a worst condition when I received them. They were all dry and withered. Somehow I managed to bring them back to its original condition. Not quite original actually, but it has become little presentable. To be honest, I love when the customer asked me to preservation, because preserving a memory is like holding on to the things you love the most and the things you never want to lose. So this way you can keep your memory as a lifetime. Anyways, I'm using gold leaf to enhance the beauty of this piece. Now let it to cure properly. It takes approximately 8 to 9 hours. The customer also wants a name on it. In case if you don't have a vinyl sticker, so don't worry, you can use this gel pen instead. But for this, your handwriting should be good enough. To be honest, it's not my hand actually. My father is a calligrapher, so I asked him to write it nicely, and as you can see, he's doing their job very well. just filling up the letters to make them bold. Now I'm just enhancing the leaves petal by using this gold gel pen. Now let's pour another layer of resin. Spread it thoroughly to each and every corner. Again using heat gun to pop out the bubbles. There you go, it's dry and ready now. Let's demold it. Literally, it's my favorite part of the entire process. Not bad, I like how it's turned out. But now I'm thinking if I added a white color to the transparent part, so then the flowers would look more permanent. So now just pour another layer of resin to fill up this hole and smoothen the edges. So here's a final look. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel to further more creative ideas. So then bye, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching till the end.